You want to know the inside scoop on what's getting homes sold in our area? Here's my number one tip. If you have a move on your mind for 2026, start prepping now. A few years ago, you didn't have to do much. Your house would just sell. But now there are more homes on the market and it's a different ballgame. That doesn't mean you've got to do a full-on renovation, just some smart strategic repairs. Your house will sell if it's prepped correctly. Starting now gives you the time to space out those repairs. Here are the top projects agents are recommending this year, and the top two are pretty simple. Painting, but this is just a baseline. What you want to tackle depends on your home and your market, and that's where we come in. We can tell you exactly what's worth doing and what isn't. You've got time on your side right now. Let's use it to your advantage. So call Century 21 Jack Ready Real Estate 570-344-6724 and visit jready.com.